Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I believe you all did the problems that I gave you in the last 2 days. Let's recall. The monohybrid ratio while crossing a single character we got 3 is to 1. Whereas the dihybrid ratio while crossing we got the result 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Through this experiment, Mendel explained that the appearance of variation in offsprings such as tall with wrinkled seed and dwarf with rounded seed is due to the independent assortment of each character. Independent assortment means the presence of new combinations such as tall, wrinkled, and dwarf round seed are assorted independently here. Gregor Johann Mendel described the inheritance of characters as factors. The real structure and peculiarities of these factors were not identified till the early 20th century, and this was the drawback of Gregor Johann Mendel. Later, it was found that the carrier of heredity, which Mendel described as factors, were the genes present in DNA. Our next topic is chromosomes in humans. There are 46 chromosomes in human beings. Of these, 44 are somatic chromosomes and 2 are sex chromosomes. A somatic chromosome pair contains 2 identical chromosomes. Thus, in the human beings, there are 22 pairs of somatic chromosomes. Sex chromosomes are of 2 types. They are X chromosomes and Y chromosomes. The genetic makeup of female is 44 plus XX and for male is 44 plus XY. Our next topic is crossing over in chromosomes, a source of variation. During the initial phase of meiosis, the chromosomes pair and exchange their parts. This process is called crossing over of chromosomes. As a result of this, the part of DNA crosses over to become the part of another DNA. This causes a difference in the distribution of genes. When these chromosomes are transferred to the next generation, it causes expression of new characters in offsprings. Students, please note, in the stage 1, you can see pair of chromosome, and in the stage 2, you can see crossing over of chromosome, and in the stage 3, a new characters were formed. This is called the crossing over of chromosome. So you can write here one question. What do you mean by crossing over of chromosome? It's very important. Students, now we can discuss about the combination of allele during fertilization. The chromosomes of parents reaches the offsprings through gamete. When gametes undergo fusion, the combination of allele changes. This causes the expression of characteristics in offspring that are different from their parents. Thus, fertilization causes variation in the next generation. Our next topic is mutation. Mutation means it is a sudden heritable changes in the genetic constitution of an organism. This may occur due to defect in the duplication of DNA, certain chemicals, radiations, etc. Mutations bring about changes in the genes which can be transmitted over generation and thus leading to variations in characters. Mutations have great relevance in evolution also. Students, look at the figure carefully. Here you can see the genetic mechanism which determines whether a child is male or female. Here, while crossing the male and female, we got 2 male and 2 female with equal contribution. For male, we got the result 44 plus XY, and for female, we got the result 44 plus XX. Is there any difference in the number of chromosome in male and female? In male and female, there is not any difference in the number of chromosomes. Here, different kinds of chromosomes are seen. Now, discuss the chromosome difference in male and female. The sex chromosome is seen as different. The sex chromosome of female are XX and male are XY. What may be the reason for the difference in the color of skin in people living in various parts of the world? It is because of a pigment called melanin, which is a protein which imparts color to the skin. The rise or fall in the production of melanin is due to difference in the function of alleles of genes which is responsible for the skin color. It is not a racial difference which makes the skin color dark or light. This is simply an adaptation to live under the sun. This is very important. Learn this one also. And students, from this chapter, I will give you separate note. Learn it well. Thank you.